Hello and welcome to my general problems mechanics walkthrough. Today we're going to be looking at the time period of a satellite around the Earth. So let's have a look at the question. Estimate the period of an Earth satellite which is in circular orbit at a height of 2,000 kilometers above sea level. Take the radius of the Earth to be 6,400 kilometers and g to be 9.8 meters per second squared. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down a diagram. So this is our Earth, not a very detailed Earth, but an Earth nonetheless. And this is the motion of our satellite around the Earth. And it's traveling at speed v at a radius of r. We also have the radius of our Earth as re, and we want to know what the time period of this system is. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down the centripetal force equation, which is r m omega squared, and we're going to equate this to the gravitational force, which is gmm over r squared. Now, first thing we can do is we can cancel the small m's, and we can move our small r down onto the denominator of the right hand side. But remember that g is equal to big G times the mass of the Earth divided by the radius of the Earth, when g is 9.8 meters per second squared. And we haven't been given the mass of the Earth, we've only been given the radius. So we're going to manipulate this and put our radius of Earth into our equation. So we're going to times out the radius of the Earth squared onto both sides, which gives us g r squared equals gm. And we're going to sub this into the equation we had above. So our omega squared equals g r squared e over r cubed. And we can just take the square root of this to find out what omega is. Now, our time period is 2 pi over omega. And we can just sub our omega into this equation and sub in all the values that we have for our g, our r, and our r cubed into our big equation for time period, and this gives us a value of 7,631 seconds, or about 127 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. If you've seen any mistakes I've made, please let me know, and if you don't understand any steps, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much.